Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for everything crypto. Today we're diving into the OKX Referral Program and how you can maximize your benefits. Let's get started. First, let's talk about OKX. It's one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges, known for its user-friendly interface and strong security measures. But today we're focusing on their awesome referral program. So, what exactly is the OKX Referral Program? It's a way to earn extra rewards by sharing your love for OKX with friends and family. By using a referral code, both you and your referee can earn bonuses. It's a win-win. Here's how it works. To get started, you'll need a referral code. Lucky for you, we have one right here, 673744754. Just use this code when you sign up or share it with others, and you'll both start earning rewards. Let's go through the step-by-step process of using the referral code. Sign up on OKX. Go to the OKX website or app and click on Sign Up. Enter referral code. During the registration process, you'll see a field for a referral code. Enter 673744754. Complete registration. Fill in the required details and complete the registration. Start earning. Once your account is set up, you and your referee will start earning rewards as you trade. Now let's talk about the benefits. Using the OKX referral code, 673744754, can give you access to exclusive bonuses. These can include trading fee discounts, bonus tokens, and even special promotions only available to referred users. Sometimes users might face issues while using the referral code. Here are some common problems and their solutions. Code not working. Ensure you've entered the code correctly without any spaces. No rewards. Make sure both you and your referee have completed the required steps, such as identity verification and initial deposit. To make the most out of the referral program, here are some expert tips. Share your code. Spread the word on social media, crypto forums, and among your friends. Stay active. Keep trading to maximize your rewards. The more active you are, the more bonuses you can earn. Engage with the community. Join OKX community events and promotions to learn about additional earning opportunities. To wrap it up, the OKX referral program is a fantastic way to boost your crypto journey by using the referral code 673744754. You're setting yourself up for some great rewards. So, don't wait. Sign up today, share your code, and start earning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and tutorials. And don't forget to use the OKX referral code 673744754 to start earning your bonuses today. Thanks for watching and happy trading!